When everything is done and I'm ready to submit my final file, I need to take a couple of steps to make sure that I'm delivering that file in the right format. So the very first thing I'm going to do once I have finished everything is make sure that I have saved the file, and I'm saving it to my desktop. And I'm going to hide this to make sure that I can see it. And it is right here, okay? And once I've saved it, I'm going to get rid of this one. Once I've saved it, I'm going to upload that file directly to Google Drive. So I want to go back to my Google Drive. I want to do new file upload. I want to find that file. It's right here. And I'm going to click open. It's going to upload that file to Google Drive. So the final version with all the layers is saved to Google Drive, and I know that I have that. Once that's done, it's time for me to flatten this picture and get rid of the original photograph. Now remember, I've saved all this just like this with all the layers, so if I want to come back and work on it, I can. So my next step is to click on the background layer and then take that and drag it into the little trash can right here. That deletes the background layer. It's gone. All I'm left with is my digital artwork at this point, and I need to flatten this image. So I'm going to go to Layer, Flatten Image, and boom, it flattens it all down into one single layer that's called the background. And now I want to go to File, Save As. I want to make sure that I click Save As because I'm going to change the format and I'm going to change the name. Okay, I want to make sure that it's not a Photoshop format anymore. I want to make sure that it's a JPEG. So I click on Format and select JPEG. It automatically changes the suffix, the last three letters, to JPG. And I'm going to put, for you, it's going to be your name. And then I want you to type an underscore. And I want you to type in the word final. All this is before the dot. So that it's your name underscore the word and then the word final, your name underscore final dot JPG. Make sure you're saving it on the desktop. Make sure the format says JPEG, and then click Save. You're going to get a window that says JPEG Options. Make sure the slider is all the way to the right and the quality is 12. Once you see that, click OK, and it will save that file. I'm going to hide all this so we can see it again. And now we can see this file right here is the original PSD file, the Photoshop file with all the layers. This file right here is the file I just saved. This is considerably smaller, and this is the one I'm going to submit on Schoology. So I'm going to go now to Schoology, and I'm going to find my class, and I'm going to look over here on the right, and I'm going to see under Upcoming, I'm going to see where to turn this assignment in. So if I click on that link, it's going to take me to the page that shows the assignment. And over here, you are going to have a little bit of, it's going to look a little different. Mine looks like this because I'm the teacher. Yours is going to have a little button that allows you to submit that file. So you're going to click that submit button and it's going to bring up a dialog that's going to allow you to select that file that you just made, this one right here, your name underscore final.jpg, and deliver that to me on Schoology. When all of my students have delivered my files, I'm going to see a big list here on my teacher page that shows me that every single one of my students has given me that file. Once you've done that, you're done.